Hey guys, today we're going to do an initial checkout of the Vtech Cs6121. So, here's the regular box, and the customer said it didn't come with the other handset because the customer said he's using it. So, we're going to unbox it. This is a regular box, so here we go. And this one's from 2004. Right here, we got the base station. Here's the battery. The battery is just right here. It's a pilot battery. So, here it is. We got the base station. Here's the base station for it, with a digital answer machine. And here's the handset. Well, it has an antenna on that one too. So let me plug in the base station, plug the power cord in, plug the telephone line in. So I got the battery in the handset. So let's see. Hello, please leave a message after the tone. Beep. The speaker quality is good on this telephone. Beep. Beep. Message deleted. And this is the Vtech Cs6121. And that's it.